Hi guys, so today I have created this look with using new makeup from Flipkart and Amazon. I have used mostly Mars, but here and there are some other brands. So I love the way this look has turned out, especially the eyeshadow. Oh my god, I'm so happy with Mars Cosmetic. They launched so many trendy products under the price tag of 300, which is so dope. And I wish more brands like Lakme and Nykaa do this, but yeah. And oh my god, I'm so happy the way this look turned out, and all the products were hit. So if you are interested to know some affordable makeup recommendations, keep on watching. Okay, so for primer, I'm going to take this Mars Illuminati base. So everybody was comparing this with the Max Toe Cream. I don't have the Max Toe Cream. So let's just see. Wow. Can you guys see the glow? The glow is really, really, that within sort of a glow. So this is my skin with the base. And this is providing like hydration also. And yeah, really hydrating base plus the glow. Look at the glow. I think you can use it, bare on your bare skin. It's just not no, it's like a multi-purpose thing because the particles are really subtle. So I think you can use this without makeup as well. Okay, so I will let this sit on my face. I will do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be back. Okay, so for foundation, we have the Mars Blossom Foundation, and I like the packaging. Usually, I immediately after filming a haul video throw the packaging, but this packaging is so luxe that I have not thrown it. And I'm going to do a mauve look, so we have a mauve nail paint. I don't have a mauve top, so I just wear my this dress. This is a dress, a really pretty dress. So this is the inner packaging and a shade match. I have their BB cream in dark shade, so if this will not match me, I will use the BB cream. So this comes with this pump packaging, very hygienic. Shade match, I think this will match me. I don't need to mix my BB cream. The BB cream shade is like dark on me, which is good because it is really rare in India to see a BB cream with dark shades. Okay. And this has a good yellow undertone. So I think the shade matches bang on. I think it is a really good matte, and the coverage is not that much. I think it is a natural, coverage like medium. I can say this is not a full coverage foundation, which I really like. I don't like full coverage. So yeah. The shade match is, I think, a pretty good match. I thought I have to mix my BB cream, which is a lot darker, but no, the shade match is, yeah, like pretty damn good. Let's just see this will oxidize or not. My neck is slightly darker than my chest area. So this is my skin up close with one layer. I'm not going to build this up. I like light coverage, and this is already like a medium coverage for me. So yeah, really happy with the finish. You can see the glow. The glow is still visible. If you apply full coverage foundation on a glowy base, the glow will be gone, but I still can see my glow. I love it. So for concealer, I'm going to try this Me Now concealer, and I hope this is a highlighting shade. I don't know if I have tried this or not, and I bought this because I have a lot of skin tone matching concealer. I want something like a little highlighting one. So let's just see. Think it is like maybe a shade light. The concealer maybe a shade light. Not that much. So concealer was 110 rupees. I think I got it for 100 rupees, and the coverage of this concealer is pretty damn good, I must say. And I think I will repurchase this once I will use this up, which is not that difficult for me. I use up a lot of concealers. So far I'm liking the way this base has turned out. Okay, so this is my base. Really, it is giving me good coverage with but I still have that glow. So far I'm loving the base. Okay, so for cream pro cheek product, I have this new Dazzler contour foundation stick, but you can use this shade as a contour. So this is FS2, shade number FS2, and you can easily do cream bronzer slash contour. Oh my god, I have this on my hair. Wow, the shade is pretty deep. And also, you guys, if you are not able to find deeper shade in affordable makeup, go check Dazzler. They have really deeper shade, and we should always support such drugstore makeup, which is making products for deeper complexion. So all the shades, in fact, in this foundation, I thought, can I use one of my shade, but all the foundations were looking dark, at least on Amazon. So do let me know. There is a shade for NC35. I will try it if there is, but so far this is the first brand which is making shades for deeper complexion, and that was really nice to see. And I am loving the bronzer. Look at it. So this is the bronzer. I forgot to do one solid. Let's just do the nose as well. So I'm really happy the way this bronzer, just blended it so easily with my skin. And this was just 150 rupees or something, and you're getting such a good cream bronzer. And this will last you for 3-4 years. I don't know. The quality of this bronzer is really good. Also, if you are from deeper complexion, you can easily find your shade in this foundation, as I said earlier. Okay, so I don't think so I have anything else cream cheek products to try on. Yeah, I will set my face. For that, I'm going to use my Lakme powder. This is my Project Pan powder, and I'm going to ever so slightly set my face, only where I get sweat, because that foundation is not that hydrating. So yeah, I think it has a matte sort of a finish. I'm not feeling that hydration. Okay, now my face is feeling really matte. So if you have dry skin, you can if you want to try this foundation, you have to again prep your skin really well. Okay, so blush, I have bought this like a while ago, but I've never used this, so I don't know why. So today I think we are going to use this. And will this match my eye makeup, because I'm doing a mauve look with my mauve palette. So okay, so yeah, this is a pinky nude shade, so I will go for this will go with my eye look. So this side no blush, this side blush. Look at the color. And this palette was like 200 including delivery, well, like 190 including delivery. So it is such a pretty blush shade, palette. Okay, so for powder bronzer, I'm going to apply a powder bronzer. So I'm going to take my Wet n Wild bronzer. And this will also set that cream bronzer. Otherwise, throughout the day that can move. So if you apply cream cheek product, you have to set it with a powder product again. But this will really lock the products. Otherwise, cheap products really go far. For highlighter, I was so excited when I got this. So this is the Mars highlighter, and this is the packaging. Look at the luxe packaging. Okay, so this is the rose gold shade. So if you have deeper complexion than me, you can try the gold, but if you are around my skin tone, try the shade rose gold. And look at that, this is a buildable kind of highlight. And today we are creating a mauve look, so it will be a subtle makeup. So I think I will not apply that much highlighter. And this is the best part about this Mars highlighter. You can build this up. You can make it a glam highlight. You can make it a subtle highlight. Look at the shade, such a pretty rose gold. So if you are around my skin tone, see, this will not look yellow stripe. This just blends in with my skin tone. It is not looking too or stark. So yeah, it's a very pretty shade. Let me just swatch it. This is the shade. Okay, though, so the start of the show is this Mars I Belong in Your Purse eyeshadow palette. These are the tones. It's a very pretty mauve palette, and I'm going to obviously use mauve because that is my favorite shade. So let's start with the crease, and I think I will use the lightest, of course, on my crease. I think I can easily do Project Pan with such shades because they're my favorite. Mauve, wow, look at the pigment, you guys. I am shook. Mauves are always difficult to make, mauves, purple stone, and look at the crazy pigment. Amazing, you guys. I was shook. I am shook. Okay, so now I will take my big fluffy blush and I will just try to diffuse this. Oh, the intensity of this shadow, I was not expecting it, because mauves are not that pigmented. Usually mauves are not that pigmented, but not this one. So since the crease shade is this dark, this pigmented, I'm going to take the next. So I'm going to take this is the lightest. This is a more dark mauve, but still it is a mauve palette. There is a kickback. So a lot of time pigmented shadows have kickback. So I don't care about kickback. So yeah. Wow. Best purple palette award goes to this palette. Really, you guys, I don't know, Mars. This was just 200 rupees. I'm not kidding. I'm not joking. And for 200 rupees, I think this can easily beat the Huda palette. For sure. For sure. The pigmentation level. Can you guys say that this is a 200 rupees palette? I cannot. Now I'm going to ever so slightly take the deepest shade, and I'm going, yeah, for this, I am always looking for this kind of depth in my outer corner. I'm just creating the V. So I was like, should I take the darkest shade? But I took it. Okay, now again with a clean brush. These sort of brushes are really useful. You can just use it like clean. I did my highlighter also with this. So this is the most used brush from my eye makeup stash. Yeah. So this just blends everything in. This is the eye look. Okay, I will go with a pink shimmer shade that will match better. Wow. Wow, I am shook, you guys. Just look at the pigment. This palette can easily beat the Huda palette for sure, and with the fraction of price. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. I'm just speechless. So this is, the best pink shimmer that I own now. So I'm going to slightly mix both of these so they don't look that stark. And now going with the clean big fluffy blush. This is the completed eye look. I'm really shook with the pigmentation of these palettes are bomb. So I'm thinking about creating a liner with the deep paste plum shade. So yeah, this is, I have just created out a small liner, really thin liner with the plum shade, and it is giving me a softer depth, to the look. So yeah, I'll do the same with this eye and I'll be back. Okay, so for highlighting, I think I will try this. This looks like the darkest I was supposed to say. Great. Okay, so for mascara, I'm going to use my Colossal one. I have the Mars one, but the thing is, mascaras will expire in 3 months, so I don't want to waste my money in opening the 6 mascara at the same time. So I have 3 mascara open right now, and that is like a lot. And I love this Colossal one. On sale, you will get this, under 200 rupees. So a really good mascara. So this is like one coat of this. See the difference between the lashes. So this mascara is really inexpensive and it is really good. And now that it is getting old, it is, giving me so much volume. And this is that product. If this will get over, I will definitely run to grab this. It's so inexpensive and so good. So this is the mascara, and I think I got a little overboard on lower lash line, and it is kind of giving me that spidery lashes effect, but I like it. So I have some new lipstick to try on, but they will not go with this look. So I'm going to apply almond. Great. See, all the Maybelline powder matte range is like totally broken. So I'm going to use this almond pink shade. It's a very pretty pinky mauve. Okay, so this is the final look. I am in love with the way this look has turned out. Now let's just quickly talk about all the products in this video. So first of all, the base. Love this Illuminati base. So if you want a good, no makeup sort within sort of a highlighting primer, dewy base for dry skin people, this is really good. Talking about the foundation, love it. First of all, the shade match was really good and the coverage is awesome. And this was 240, I think, when I bought it, and love this has beautiful glass bottle and a firm packaging, and also the quantity is more than standard, your usual foundations. So yeah, love the base and the way my makeup has turned out. It's really good. And also, if you have dry skin, you can get away without setting it. Okay, now about this Me Now concealer. Wow, this was just 100 rupees, and this concealer is so good, you guys. It is really good. The coverage is so good. At least for me, I don't have dark circles, so I cannot comment about that dark circle part. But if you want a good coverage affordable concealer, you can check your local store. I got it for 100 rupees from a local store, and yeah, I'm really happy with this concealer. If this will run out, I will definitely repurchase this because it's 100 rupees and the coverage was really good. And the shade match, it is like a little maybe a one shade up, so perfect for highlighting on me. Okay, now coming on to the cheap products. Love this, highly recommend this Dazzler foundation stick, and my shade was like S2. I will mention everything, and this is a good cream bronzer on me. I love the tone. This is a very natural kind of bronzer, not warm, not cool, so perfect undertone. I feel you can do contouring slash bronzing with it. So yeah, now the blush palette, highly recommend you. Only 200 rupees, 190 rupees, and look at the packaging, so cute. And you get 4 blush, and this is really small. So yeah, so this is a nice, you are getting 4 blush for just 200 rupees, and the pigmentation is on point. It's a matte blush. I really like the color. It is matching the makeup, and the highlighter is wow. The packaging is so good, and it is a pretty rose gold shade, and it's just meshed into my skin. So if you are around my skin tone, you can go for this one. Otherwise, go for a darker one. Okay, now talking about the star of the show, this palette, you guys. I have searched so much for mauve palette, and no affordable palette one was the Huda quality, and I was like, I cannot buy 2,500 something for 9 pan. I was like, so I wanted to buy the mini Obsessions one. I think she has a mauve one, and look at the color story. This is really pretty. The shimmers are so pretty. The mattes are so gorgeous. Even the lighter shades was so pigmented. So the color you're seeing in the pan, as it is, it will translate on your eyelid. So I think this is a must buy. Now I know everybody was raving, this I belong in a purse range, but I was like, I have so many warm tones, so I want a mauve palette, and it is such a pretty. Mauves are my favorite, and this will be, in my everyday purse situation. So really good for travel, and you get so many pretty shades, really pretty shades. So I'm so happy with all in all the way everything is, looking. My makeup is looking so good. So let's just zoom you guys with this, my face up close. So all in all, Mars is launching so many good products, trendy products, and Mars are so difficult to find in affordable prices. Trust me, I've tried so many affordable Mars palette. This is like so comparable to Huda, and I'm so happy with the way this, eyeshadow was the star, for me at least. So I hope you like this video. If you do, do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.